Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn reading in IELTS step by step. We'll cover everything from understanding the test format to mastering specific question types. The IELTS reading test has 3 sections and 40 questions, and you'll have 60 minutes to complete it. Our goal is to equip you with effective strategies to approach each passage confidently and maximize your score. Let's dive into how you can improve your reading skills for this important exam. 2 essential skills for IELTS reading are skimming and scanning. Skimming helps you understand the overall gist of a passage in just a few moments, while scanning allows you to pinpoint specific details like names, dates, or numbers very quickly. By mastering these techniques, you can navigate the passages more efficiently, saving precious time and accurately locating the information needed to answer the 40 questions. The IELTS reading test features a variety of question types, including multiple choice, matching headings, sentence completion, and true/false/not given. Each type requires a slightly different approach. Understanding the nuances of each format and practicing tailored strategies will significantly boost your performance. Always read the instructions carefully and adhere to any word limits, such as using no more than 3 words for an answer. Consistent practice is key to success in IELTS reading. Aim to complete full practice tests under timed conditions, allocating roughly 20 minutes per passage. This helps build your stamina and improves your time management skills for the 60-minute exam. After each practice session, review your answers to understand where you went wrong. Learning from your mistakes is crucial for continuous improvement and achieving your target score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.